This week, our government has been providing take-home PCR self-collection kits. They're being shipped out to school boards right across Ontario as we committed to all publicly funded schools for eligible students across all grades. In protecting the hard-fought progress we have achieved, we've tried to make the experience of COVID testing as simple, as accessible as possible for parents and families, with the aim fundamentally of keeping children in class. Now, we're pleased to confirm that students will be able to pick up the PCR self-collection kits at their school, complete the specimen collection at home, and drop off the kit for processing at hundreds of participating community locations, including pharmacies across Ontario. And to make life easier for parents to take a step further and to ensure students safely return to class in January following the holidays, we're also pleased to announce that all students will be receiving rapid antigen screening test kits to bring home and to use. Between late November and mid-December, we'll be distributing 11 million rapid antigen screening tests to all publicly funded schools ahead of the winter break for students to take home to help ensure a safe return in January. This will support a safe return, as noted, by enabling widespread access to rapid antigen tests, given the potential risk of transmission due to the increased gatherings indoors over the holidays. However, I want to be abundantly clear. Testing is not a replacement for vaccination. That has been a critical fight against COVID-19. Now, we're allowing boards as well to access the remaining portion of the $1.6 billion that we provided to them to help protect schools, to hire staff, and to ensure kids can learn in a safe environment. These resources have been key to our fight during this pandemic, and they include investments like mental health, the hiring of hundreds of teachers and staff, school-focused nurses in our public health units, and additional safety measures to keep school transportation safe as well. And it demonstrates our commitment to a cautious approach to in-person learning so that we can continue to make progress. Now, to recap, we take nothing for granted in this government when it comes to keeping schools safe and open. And so we are following the best advice and taking additional action by providing all students 5 rapid antigen tests to take home over the holidays. We're providing access to the remaining $1.6 billion of COVID-19 resources to hire more staff, to increase mental health supports, and keep schools safe. And we are enhancing the protocols amongst largely unvaccinated elementary students, as well as providing accessible locations for all families to drop off their take-home PCR test specimen.